What is this? Another thing to know? Common framework? Come on. Hey Terry, me here again. Looks like we have another thing to look at. The common framework. Well, I mean, to me it looks really quite similar to Alberta curriculum. Looks like it was created by a whole bunch of ministers from all around Canada. It's kind of odd, being in the BNA Act, it says that education will be legislated to the province, but in this case, all the ministers from all the provinces have come together and come up with a common framework for everyone to follow. I guess it works like this. Let's say you have a family from Newfoundland coming over to work in Alberta because of the oil patch. Well, that kid from Newfoundland could probably come into a science classroom in Alberta and feel fairly comfortable. And guess what? When the boom ends and they got to move back to Newfoundland to go fishing again, well, they probably could fit in just the same that going back. Lots of the same things, skills, knowledge, attitude. It looks great. Alright, thanks Terry.